Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. Use the hand technique to multiply 7 times 7. The answer is 49. So how did we come up with that answer using the hand technique? So what we do is we put together the fingers that are assigned the numbers 7 and 7. So in this case, both the ring fingers. Next, we count the number of fingers that are touching and the fingers below them. And then we count by tens. So we have 4 fingers that are touching and below those fingers that are touching, and then we count by 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, and 40. So 7 times 7 is equal to 40, plus we count the number of fingers above those that are touching each other. In this hand, we have 3 fingers, and then on the other hand, we also have 3 fingers above the fingers that are touching. So that's 3 as well. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Adding those numbers together, we get 49. Use the hand technique to multiply 8 times 10. The answer is 80. So how did we come up with this answer? What we do is we touch the fingers that are assigned the numbers 8 and 10. So that will be this finger and this finger. Let's draw a line and assume that these fingers are touching already. Next, we count the number of fingers that are touching and the fingers below them. And then we count by tens. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 8 times 10 is equal to 80 plus. Next, we count the number of fingers above the fingers that are touching. So for this hand, we have 2 times, and then for this hand, we have no fingers left after the thumb. So that is 0 for no more fingers left. So 2 times 0 is 0, which gives us 80. And that is the answer. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning.